Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at another great opportunity that you can earn on bybit. So all you just need to do is to navigate yourself to the top right hand side where you see sign up for notifications. In this sign of notification, you're gonna going to click on it. Click on the sign of the notifications and open it. So today what we'll be going to do, we're going to stake MNT. All right, we'll be staking NMT. So today I'll be showing how you can make up to 21.28% APR. Stake MNT to make up to 21.28% APR exclusive bybit flexible savings. Wow, it's currently on and it's currently on fire. That is, a lot of people are doing this. So let's quickly dive into that to see what exactly is going on there. So the moment you open this MNT, there are some of my videos I've made. I've made a lot of videos regarding this MNT. No, regarding stakings. Yeah, we have made some stakings in the previous day, and today we'll be staking. And today we'll be staking MNT. Okay. So all you just need to do is to quickly come to this place and click on MNT. If you click on MNT now, it will bring you to a place of this very nature. So all you just need to do is to check it out very well and see what you're going to stake. Okay. So you can see from the very top here, you can see you can either get what you can stake is above 1000 MNT, right? What you can stake is above 1000 MNT or 1000 MNT. It shows here. If you stake 1000 MNT, you're going to get the 24 hours APR of 6.85%. Okay, and if you stake less, you're going to gain 3.85% APR a day. All right. So after staking it, your current saving amount will be here. The MNT will be showing here. If you stake 1000, if you stake less than 1000, everything will show here. So here is showing the remaining price pool. You can see it's still much. It's still much. Okay, then you can check the estimated daily yielding here. Or this will appear. This will appear after you have successfully staked this very coin. Okay. Then you move down to click on this. I have read and agreed to the bybit terms of services. Okay, so let's check the timeline. When is this beginning? This will begin today, 28th of August, right? Here's the time, 28th of August. Yield time start still 28th of August by 6. Yield accurate UTC start by 7 as a real accurate. Then the yield distributions will be on the 29th. You can see this is 1 day APR. It's daily APR, and you're going to get 6 point something daily. So all you just need to do is to go ahead, click on agreed stake in order to join this amazing pool. Okay, stick to join this amazing pool and start earning money for yourself. So in case you don't have MNT, how would you get this MNT? You're going to convert your USDT to MNT. You understand? You're going to convert your USDT to MNT, or you use your USDT to trade MNT. Okay? So this is what you do. You're going to click on your trade and look for MNT. And look for MNT. This is MNT. Okay. How would you now get 1000 MNT? MNT on spot. How would you now get 1000 MNT? You come to this place. Take 500. This is a bit higher. Okay. To get 1000 MNT to actually take you like 600, 550 USD or 580. $589, no, 585, 584. Okay, let's say it will just take you like 585 to get 1000 MNT, 585 to get 1000 MNT. But you can actually trade this with less than 500, with less than 1000 MNT. Just that your APR will be a bit low, like I just said. So, or you can just go to convert your USDT to MNT and see what you will get. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. I will see you in my next video. Okay, subscribe if you haven't done that, like my videos, and as well share my videos. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.